In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background of a photo in CapCut PC. If you want to replace a boring background, put someone into a completely different setting, or create a clean, solid color backdrop, CapCut makes the process very simple. The best part is that you can do it directly inside the editor without needing extra software. I'll walk you through the easiest method so everything looks clean and natural. To begin, the first thing you need to do is remove the original background from your photo. Place your photo onto the track 2 on the timeline. This is important because your new background will sit underneath it on the track below. Once the photo is on the timeline, click on it so it's selected. Then go to the top right Properties panel, open the Image section and click Cutout. From there, scroll down and check the box for auto removal. As soon as you enable auto removal, CapCut uses its built-in AI to scan the image and separate the main subject from the background. In most cases, this happens almost instantly. After it finishes, the background disappears and your subject is isolated by itself. This is the key step that makes the background swap possible. If your image has a clear subject and decent contrast, the result is usually very clean. Next, it's time to add your new background. Go to your media folder, find the image or video you want to use as the replacement background, and drag it on to track 1, directly underneath the cutout photo on track 2. Because track 1 is below the subject layer, the new background will appear behind the person or object in your photo. After that, stretch the edges of both clips on the timeline so they match in length. This is especially helpful if your background is a video, because you want the subject layer and the background layer to stay visible for the same amount of time. Once they line up, your subject should appear naturally in front of the new backdrop. If you'd rather use a solid color background instead of another photo or video, CapCut gives you a quick option for that too. Click your cutout photo again, go to Image, then Basic, scroll down to Canvas and select Color. From there, choose any color swatch you like. CapCut will instantly generate a smooth studio-style background behind your subject, which is great for clean tutorials, profile images, or simple visual designs. And that's it. Once your subject is cut out and your new background is in place, you're done. This is one of the fastest ways to completely transform a photo inside CapCut PC.